All right, good afternoon, good morning, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. This is still Architect Chidi, your favorite architect and your favorite engineer. I am here specifically for a particular reason, and one of the reasons is to enlighten you more on the four drawings that you need for your project. The four drawings you need for your project is very important. That is the architectural, the structural, electrical, and the mechanical. In Nigeria currently, if you want to build in Lagos, you must provide all these documents, especially when you are building a duplex. If you are building a bungalow, you might only need the architectural, the electrical, and the mechanical, or just the architectural and the mechanical. But once you are building anything that has beams and slabs, you must have to bring your four drawings. In my last video, I talked about you needing a drawing, and if you want a drawing, you come to me. I drop my number in the description box for you to contact me. I had few people that contacted me, and the reason why they contacted me is not to give me work. I don't know their reasons, but maybe to get ideas from me is wrong. Don't do that. It's very wrong. It's not encouraging. To do this alone is stressful. To come online to educate people on the essence and the needs for all this is stressful. It's enough work already. You have to trust my capacity. I'm doing this to encourage people that felt that they cannot build, to give them estimates and give them quotations and give them ideas of what they will have to do. That is my main reason why I'm here. Some people will ask me to send this ones. Do you have this one? Send this one. We will chat for 2 days straight, especially people in the diaspora. You will chat 2 days straight. Send this, correct this one, send this, okay, send another type. At the end of the day, they will ask you for your account number. When they ask you for your account number, they will not reply you again. They will not talk to you again. If you send them messages, they won't read it. Most times they will read it and they will not reply you. That's very bad. That's very bad. We are working out to see how we can be able to help a lot of people out there to get their drawings, to get their structures available, to get everything ready. Not for the stress you people are causing me, seriously. It's not for the stress. Please, I want to say it. I want to use this opportunity to say and plead with all the people. Please, it's not worth the stress. If you are coming for inquiry, say you want to inquire something, but don't come under this guise that you want to give person somebody work. We need money in Nigeria. We need to hustle. If you are currently in Nigeria, if you don't hustle, you can't meet up. And spending all those hours and days working out and to see how to meet up, and you're coming with the intention of giving somebody work, and after several hours and days of deliberation, you just request for the account number. Some will not even reply you again once they get what they want to do. It's not right. It's not right. Everything most importantly is not about the money. That is why we personally, I know if you have contacted me, I will bring out my time so that you know it's not about the money. I'll bring out my time. I'll bring out everything I have to do to reply you. But at the end of the day, if you are not ready to pay, tell the person. Time is money. If you're living in diaspora, you have hours. They pay you per hours. That's to show time is money to meet up with what you want to do. So stop stressing us. If you are genuinely ready for business, talk to the person. If you are not, talk to the person. Be sincere with your attitude. All right. The four drawings are architectural, structural, and mechanical. The architectural directs the rest. Once the architectural is being produced, that is where the structural will have to work on, the electrical have to work on, and the mechanical have to work on. So the architectural comes first. I don't see a reason why you want to build a house of 60 million, 50 million, and you can't bring out 200,000, 150,000 to do a plan. That's ridiculous. To do a plan of what you want to do, what you want to, that is the plan is the main thing, where the corrections, everything is being done, your taste is being expressed. But you cannot pay somebody 500, 200, 150, 300,000 to produce all the four drawings for you. But you want to build a house of 50 million, you want to build a house of 40 million. That's ridiculous. The architectural comes after that. The structural has to do with the slabs, the beams, the columns, where it have to be placed, the foundation layouts. Then the mechanical is your mechanical system, your toilet system, how it's going to be placed. Your electrical is the box, the connection lights, how the control switch is going to go. All these things are needed and are very important if you must embark on your building project professionally. Unless you want to just draw a plan and maybe they will excavate it for you like that. But if you want a professional, a standard structure, you must go through this process. Then after that, your drawing have to come with stamping, stamps. Professionals have to stamp it. Then after that, to avoid your local government trouble, you have to go for approval from your local government. You have to go for approval from your local government. And you don't want to pay for drawing, but you have to pay more than 200, 300,000 to get your structure approved in the local government. And it's a must unless you want to go through other routes. But you have to pay if you want to have the document at hand. So all these things are important. Drawing is very important. It's very important in your structure. Even if you don't want to start now, do the drawing and keep it. Pray over it. Keep the drawing. Say words over the drawing that you want to build this house this year, next year. Do the drawing. Keep it as an encouragement for you to actually see your vision and what you are planning to do. Is very important. It's very important, my people. So this is what I have to tell you there, guys, this afternoon. Thank you so much, and God bless you. If you have any building structure you want us to do for you, building drawing, interiors, your cabinets, and every other things, contact us. I will drop my number at the description box. Thank you so much, and God bless.